Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off or stop Bluetooth pairing requests on your Android-based phone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the Setting gear button, select Connected Devices, and then select Connection Preferences. Select the Bluetooth button underneath Connection Preferences in here. And where it says use Bluetooth, if you want to turn that off, just click inside the oval one time to toggle to the off position. It should be grayed out as you see it on my screen. That means it has been turned off and is disabled. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.